guys, we made it to our mini excavator. Yes! I'm so excited to show you so many fun things with this. But first things first, we have to unload it from the trailer. Why do we put it on a trailer? Because the trailer is how we get it from one job to another. Isn't that cool? I think so. We hook a trailer up to our pickup truck, and then we put the mini inside of it and can go from place to place. But now we have to unload it in order to use it. So come along and watch me unload it, and we'll go grab some rocks to play with. Let's go. All right, guys, let's grab some rocks. Whoa, let's see. I think I want 5 rocks. Let's see. Oh, that looks like a good one. Take that one. So there's 1 rock. 1. Let's find 4 more rocks. Oh, this looks like a good one right here. Let's take this rock. Number 2. Now we have 2 rocks. Yes. Now we just need 3 more so we can have 5. Oh, which ones do we want? I think we want this one. I'm just going to take this one right here. Oh, yeah, that's a good rock. We're going to have a lot of fun with that one. Let's put it right here. Now we have 3 rocks. 1, 2, 3. Now we only need 2 more rocks, so we can have 5. Which ones are we going to take? Let's find another big one. Oh, I think I see the one we want right here. That's a good one. Here we go. We're going to grab this rock right here. Oh, we got it. Yes. That's awesome. Now we have 4 rocks. How many more do we need to have 5? That's right. We need 1 more. Okay, let's get 1 more rock. Oh, which one do we want? Let's take this other big one. Right there. Yeah, that's a nice rock, huh? Oh, I almost missed it. Oh, I got it. Ooh, it's a heavy rock. Oh, it slipped a little, but we got it. There we go. Now we have 5 rocks. All right, let's see how many rocks we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we did so great. Thanks for helping me, friends.